Truck and Trailer is family-owned and operated, and our service and repair center is dedicated to maintaining your commercial truck with our bumper-to-bumper service and inspection, including air conditioning, brakes, cargo box repair, check engine lights, engine, exhaust, fuel systems, lift gate service, oil change, shocks, toolboxes, trailer service and repair, transmission service. Go to oktruckrepair.com to schedule your service appointment. Located on the north side of East I-240 between exits 8 and 9, or visit us online at oktruckrepair.com.